So here we're looking at the missing integer problem. And in this problem, you're given an array of n integers, and your goal is to return the smallest positive integer greater than 0 does not occur in array A. So they give an example here of an array that includes 1, 3, 6, 4, 1, and 2. And the function should return 5 because if you look at these values in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 is greater than 0, so that would be the answer. In the next example here, they give an array of 1, 2, 3. All those values are greater than 0, so the next smallest positive would be 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And the next one, they have -1 and -3. The problem with this is that all values are not greater than 0. So here you just return 1, because 1 would be the smallest positive integer greater than 0. And the assumptions that we have here is that n is an integer within the range of 1 to 100,000. So we know we'll never have an array with 0 values, so we won't have an empty array. So we know we'll at least always have 1, so we don't have to worry about an empty array in our edge cases. And then each element of array A is an integer within the range of -1,000,000 to 1,000,000. So we know we won't have a value smaller than 1,000,000, and we won't have a value larger than 1,000,000. So let's go ahead and dive right in here. We're going to go ahead and work with Python. Okay, and the way to look at this problem is that the easiest way to deal with it would be to sort the array first. So what we're going to want to do is take A and sort it. And Python makes this really easy for us. And then we're going to have duplicates in here. So that's going to be a problem. So we want to get rid of any duplicates that occur. So we're going to head and we're going to turn this into a dictionary. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. I believe this is the correct way to do it. Let's go ahead and print that out and make sure we got rid of our duplicates. Okay, yeah, you can see we got rid of our duplicates here. Everything's in order. So now we just have to loop through A and check to see if the first value is equal to 1, because that would be the smallest positive integer. So we can create a variable here, smallest positive, set that equal to 1. We'll go ahead and loop through our array here, and we need to look at only values that are greater than 0. So we want to check if I is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, we want to see if I is equal to our smallest positive integer. If it is, we can go ahead and increment the smallest positive integer. And then at the very end, after it goes through the array, we can go ahead and return smallest positive. Okay, that seemed to work. And I have a list here of some random numbers from 1 to 100 just to test. Let's go ahead and see if those work. Okay, yeah, did work. And let's test our edge cases here. So if we have 1, our value would be 2. If we have 0, our value should be 1. Okay. If we have -1, our value should be 1. So it looks like all of our edge cases work as well. So let's go ahead and give this one a try. It's going to take a little bit here to calculate our score. Okay, looks like everything passed. We passed with 100%. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.